So basically, you just remove the wire, the tape here. Okay, there's two, one on each end. You remove it. Loosen up this skinny wire first, and then you basically there's a clip you just pull out, just like that. The mounting, but now I want to show you what I meant. This is top. I mean, this is bottom. This is top. You see all these LEDs? I using two LED. One is aligned with this end. The other one aligned with this end. So that way, and because it's slightly shorter, it won't have dark corners. So that's how you get it solved. Okay. Now let's mount. Just finish the LED mount back to the plate. So we're gonna mount a put back the plexiglass. Okay. Okay. Well, maybe we should do. There we go. It goes in. Fix right in. Next thing. It's a diffusion sheet. Okay, diffusion sheet. I should put it like this. I just look at it because the marking is here. So if I do like this, yeah, this is the right angle. Yep. 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 Okay, let me see. This one's in. This is in. Sorry about that. This screen's so big. Sometimes maybe some section you didn't see it. It's done. Not quite yet. Now we have to put the latch back. This tiny thing. Like this. Just stick it in. Let me see. Yep. I'll show you. Hopefully you can see it. Just this is a tiny one. The hole was outside. It's then you just push it in. Yep. Oh, wrong side. This is the right side. Okay, good. It's in. 3 more. I just really want to show you guys. The hole up. Just stick it out down. There you go. Okay, last one. Okay, done. So this way it's a for a interface board. So clean. I'm gonna make sure the screen is clean too. The glass. All right, so we're gonna put it like this. Just be really careful. You make sure the liquid glass sit inside of a plastic film, so that way when you snap the metal frame in, it won't crack. This is really important. And that's it. Also, it's better to put the wire wires coming out first, because when you snap, I show you. Yep. Okay. Okay. This one same thing. Oops. All right. Here's a metal film. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the piece of tape to secure the LED wires. Okay. Put back the cover. Three screws. Then connecting to a to your existing inverter wire harness. This two is the red is for the input, the black for ground, white no connection, the yellow is enabled. You need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts, turn it on, and that's it. Thank you for watching.